Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Framer versus Code. We'll dive straight into understanding their core functionalities. Framer excels in visual design and rapid prototyping, allowing you to build interactive interfaces with minimal coding. On the other hand, writing code provides unparalleled control and customization, essential for intricate web applications. By the end, you'll have a clearer picture of which approach aligns best with your specific project needs. Framer shines when speed and visual fidelity are paramount. It empowers designers to create stunning, interactive prototypes in a fraction of the time it would take to code them from scratch. With its intuitive interface and extensive component library, you can drag, drop, and customize elements to bring your designs to life. This tool is perfect for quickly validating concepts and presenting dynamic user experiences to stakeholders, often reducing design cycles by 20 to 30%. For projects demanding absolute control and intricate functionality, coding is the undisputed champion. Tools like VS Code provide a robust environment for writing, debugging, and managing code. This approach is indispensable for building scalable web applications, integrating with back-end systems, and implementing highly customized features. While it requires a steeper learning curve, the power to craft truly unique and performant digital experiences is unmatched, offering virtually limitless possibilities for innovation. So, which is better? It truly depends on your specific needs. If you're a designer focused on quick iterations and high-fidelity prototypes, Framer is an excellent choice, saving you countless hours. However, if you're building a robust, scalable application with complex features and custom integrations, coding offers the necessary depth and flexibility. Many professionals even combine both, using Framer for initial concepts and then transitioning to code for the final product, leveraging the strengths of each approach.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.